So I messed up mine a little bit. There's little marks on the edges. I found that you, in the video, you take this off first, then that. You can kind of reach in, lift it up, and then ply that off by itself without having to take this off to reach the top, which is what I did. But since I have this brand new one, once you do that, you just have to put the screwdriver in there and pull down, and it'll come off. You can just put a little bit in the back. Let's see. Screwdriver in. And it's a little harder. The other one was a lot smoother. Oh, you gotta go on one side because there's a slot in the middle. Pull it back down a bit. This one's already messed up, so I don't really care. This one was real easy. I was able to just push it in and pull down. I guess the one from factory is a little harder. See, it's kind of malformed a little bit. Just give it a little push. I could have done that a little more nicer than I did, but I was able to do it real easy. I can swap it out.